Now, we are about to experience something truly enriching yoga. Yoga is an ancient practice that helps bring balance to the body, mind, and spirit. It's wonderful to see our students embracing it at such a young age.
Perfectly. Yoga not only improves flexibility but also promotes mental well being and concentration. It's fantastic to witness our students practicing it so gracefully. Today, we have a wonderful group of performing yoga poses, and I'm sure they will leave us in awe.
जटाटवेगलज्जलप्रवाहभावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्यलम्बिताम्बुजङ्गमङ्कमालिकामट्टमट्टमट्टमन्निनादमट्टमर्वयुं चकारचण्डताण्डवं तनोतु न शिव शिवम् जटाकटाः सम्भ्रमभ्रमन्निलिम्पनिर्जरी विलोलवीचिवल्लरी विराजमानमूर्धनि धगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलल्ललाटपट्टभावके किशोरचन्द्रशेखरे रतिप्रदक्षिणम् मम
Look at the strength and flexibility of our young yogis. Such balance, such focus, wow, such grace and control.
धराधरेन्द्रनन्दिनी विलासबन्धुबन्धुरा स्फुरद्दिगन्तसन्तति प्रमोदमानमानसे कृपाकटाक्षधोरणी निरुद्धदुर्धरापदि क्वचिद्दिगम्बरे मनोविनोदमेतु वस्तुनि जटाभुजङ्गपिङ्गळस्फुरत्फणामणिप्रवाहदम्बकुङ्कुमद्रवप्रलिप्तदिग्वधूमुखे मदान्तसिन्धुरस्फुरत्प्रबुद्धरीयमेधुरी मनोविनोदमद्भुतं विवर्तु भूतभर्धरी ॐ नमः शिवाय
Look at the way they hold each pose with such perfection. Truly inspiring.
सदाशिवं भजाम्यहं सदाशिवं भजाम्यहम् ॐ नमः शिवाय सहस्रलोचन प्रवृत्य शेषलेखशेखर प्रसूलधूलितोरणी विदूसराङ्घ्रिपीठं भुजङ्गराजमालयानि
Oh my god, it's truly inspiring. Yoga requires patience and dedication, and our students are showing it beautifully.
ललाटजल्परज्वलन्तरञ्जयस्फुलिङ्गभाविपीतपञ्चसायकं नमन्निलिम्पनायकं सुधामयूखलेखया विराजमानशेखरं महाकपालि सम्पदे शिरोजटानमस्कुता करालभालभट्टिका दगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलन्तरञ्जयाहुतीकृत प्रचण्डपञ्चसायके हराधरेन्द्रनन्दिनी कुचाग्रचित्रपत्रकार कल्पनैकशिल्पिनी त्रिलोचने रतिर्मम नवीनमेघमण्डली निरुद्धदुर्धरस्फुरद्गुहूनिशीतिनी तमप्रबन्धबद्धकन्दर निलिम्पनिर्झरीधरस्तनोतु कृत्तिसिन्धुर धरानिधानबन्धुर श्रियं जगद्गुरन्दर
Oh my god. Put your hands up together.
नीलपङ्कज प्रपञ्चकारिमप्रभावलम्बिकण्टकन्दलि रुचिप्रबद्धकन्दरं स्मरच्चिदं
What a balance.
पवच्चिदं मखच्चिदं गजच्चिदान्दकच्चिदं तमन्तकच्चिदं
That's incredible.
अखर्व सर्वमङ्गला कलाकदम्बमञ्जरी रसप्रवाहमाधुरी विजृम्भणा मधुव्रतं स्मरान्तकं
He's setting the stage on fire. Put your hands up together. Come on, young yogis, you can do it. What a perfect duo. Oh my god. Let's clap and appreciate hard work and dedication to this beautiful art. Such balance. What a focus. Put your hands up together, my dear parents. Let's clap and appreciate your hard work and dedication to this beautiful art. I couldn't believe my eyes. What a goosebumps moment it is. What a flexibility. Put your hands up together, my dear parents. Such a flawless performance it is. What a serene performance that was. Yoga truly brings a sense of peace and calm, doesn't it? Our young yogis did an amazing job. Now we are about to switch gears a bit and dive into some music. We have a Western song performance coming up, and let me tell you, this one is going to be something special. Music, after all, is a universal language that connects us all, regardless of our background or culture.
Good evening. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around, here it think. Sure, She's got everything. I've got magic and gizmos aplenty. I've got a wizards and what's when the glory. You got thingamabobs, I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see 'em dancing, walking around on those, what do you call 'em? Feet, flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down those, what's that word again? Street, up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend the day warm on the sand? Betcha on land they understand, but they don't reprimand their daughters. Bright young women, sick of women, ready to stand, ready to know what the people know. Ask 'em my questions and get some answers. What's the fire and what is it? What's the word? Burn. Oh, when did my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore the shore up above? Out of the sea, wish I could be part of that world. Thank you.